Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic vegetable soup. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on fresh, seasonal produce for the best taste. Chopping everything into similar sizes ensures even cooking. Grab a sturdy pot and some excellent olive oil, and let's get ready to build some incredible flavors from the ground up. This simple approach guarantees a delicious and hearty meal. Now, let's build that crucial flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, often called a sofrito or mirepoix. Sauté these for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're beautifully softened and slightly translucent. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for just 1 minute until it's wonderfully fragrant, but don't let it burn. Next, it's time to add our liquids and the heartier vegetables. Pour in about 1.5 liters of good quality vegetable stock and a 400-gram can of chopped tomatoes. Now, add any harder vegetables like diced potatoes or butternut squash. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. For the grand finale, let's add those delicate greens. Stir in a couple of handfuls of fresh spinach or kale during the last 5 minutes of cooking, allowing them to wilt beautifully. Taste and season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or basil adds a lovely finish. Serve your hearty vegetable soup piping hot with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and some crusty bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.